Today's lesson is on area, and we are going to be looking at the difference between surface and area. And to start with, I have this little square shape that I cut out of a piece of paper. And this right here is its surface. This is the surface of the square, of the shape. Okay, here's another square I have that I've divided up. This is also the surface. Okay. Here's another square that I've divided up into even smaller pieces. What would this be called? Did you say the surface? Yeah. What if we used this bead square? What would this be called? Yeah, that's also the surface of the square. So, what then is area? Let's take a look using our beads. Okay, so let's show, how about 5 taken 3 times with our beads, and you can do this along with me, or 5 times 3. So there's 5 taken once, 5 taken twice, and 5 taken 3 times. Let's count the beads that make up this surface. Okay, so this is the surface of this shape. It's a rectangle, right? So how many beads are there? Go ahead and pause and count them up. Did you say 15? Yeah, so 15 is the number that expresses the area of this shape. Okay, let's put those away. And let's take this 100 square back. Okay, so we could actually count all of these beads, and if you wanted to, you could pause the video and count them. But we already know if one of these is 10, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens, how many beads are there in here? Yeah, 100. So 100 is the area of this square's surface. There are 100 beads, and 100 is the area. Okay, let's look at some more examples of area. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so I have this square here, and it's divided into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area would be 4. Okay, because we have 4 pieces. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, in this square, I've divided it up into even smaller pieces. What would the area be of this square? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, so 16 is the area of this square. So in all of these examples, the small square is the unit of measure. Okay, so do you see this is the smaller square here out of the big shape, and this is the smaller square here out of the big shape. So in this square, this is what we use to measure area, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this square, the smaller one is what we use to measure area, and we counted 16. Okay. All right, so area and surface are 2 different things. So we can say that this is the surface, right? But we have to calculate the area of a surface. All right? So that is your first lesson on area and the difference between area and surface.